Before there were answers, there were stories. And before they were written down, they were spoken aloud in places like the Agora. These were not myths meant to entertain, but questions meant to endure. Welcome to Echoes of the Agora. Most people think they know the story of Icarus, a boy. Wings of wax, a warning ignored, a fall. It is usually told as a lesson about arrogance, about knowing your limits, about the danger of wanting too much. But that reading is too simple, because the myth of Icarus is not really about flying too high. It is about what happens when freedom appears for the first time, and no one teaches you how to live with it. The story does not begin in the sky. It begins in a prison. Daedalus, the greatest craftsman of his age, was trapped on the island of Crete, not because he was weak, but because he was too useful to let go. King Minos needed his mind, his skill, his inventions. And when Daedalus became dangerous, Minos did not kill him. He imprisoned him, along with his son Icarus. Daedalus understood something most people never do. You cannot escape a system using the paths it allows. So he did not plan a rebellion. He did not negotiate. He did not wait. He built a way out of the world itself. Wings, not magic, not divine, but engineered. Feathers bound together with wax. A solution born entirely of human intelligence. Before they flew, Daedalus warned his son, "Do not fly too low. The sea will weigh you down. Do not fly too high. The sun will destroy the wax. Follow the middle path." Most people remember this as wisdom. But notice something important. Daedalus did not say, "Do not fly." He said, "Fly correctly." For the first time in his life, Icarus was not confined, not watched, not measured. He was free. And freedom is intoxicating to those who have never had it. The myth does not say Icarus was arrogant. It does not say he wanted to challenge the gods. It does not say he sought power. It only says he flew higher and higher, not out of defiance, but out of joy. The sun did not punish Icarus. It simply existed. The wax melted, the wings failed, and Icarus fell into the sea. There is no judgment in the myth, no divine anger, no thunderbolt, only consequence. Icarus is often blamed. He is called reckless, immature, disobedient. But the myth never asks why he disobeyed. It asks something far more uncomfortable. What happens when someone raised in confinement is suddenly given limitless possibility? No practice, no gradual exposure, no wisdom earned through experience. Just freedom. Daedalus survived. He landed safely. He escaped. And the myth ends not with triumph, but with grief. Because Daedalus did not lose his son to ambition. He lost him to a world that offered no guidance for freedom. The story of Icarus is not a warning against flying too high. It is a warning about what happens when technological power outpaces human maturity. When ability grows faster than wisdom. When freedom arrives before restraint. The danger is not the sun. The danger is not the fall. The danger is giving wings to someone who has never learned how to fly. New tools, new freedoms, new ways to escape old limits, and every generation believes it will be different. But the question the myth leaves us with is not whether Icarus should have listened. It is whether Daedalus could have taught him what flight actually meant. Because the sky was never the enemy, and Icarus was never punished for wanting too much. He was lost because no one showed him how to live with more. The ancient world is silent now, but its questions remain. If this story stayed with you, there are more waiting. Until next time, listen closely. The echoes never faded.